Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. I'm Jeff Herndon.
And I'm Julia Thatcher. It's been 5 days since a building exploded in downtown Hutchinson, causing excessive damage and evacuations.
A defective gas pipeline being blamed for the explosion at the auto parts store. Kansas Gas Service working with the NTSB on the investigation into what caused that pipeline to rupture. The NTSB says they plan to have a preliminary report within 30 days.
The city of Hutchinson is holding a press conference this afternoon to give an update on the investigation and efforts to ensure safety.
Yeah, KSN's Derek Lytle was there. He joins us now live from Hutchinson. Derek, we understand the mayor is calling for accountability.
Jeff, Julia, in the middle of that press conference with fire and city officials, a business owner also in attendance spoke up asking why Kansas Gas hasn't been clear with communications on next steps. Now, Kansas Gas did not have a single representative in the room to answer his question, yet releasing a statement this morning saying they have restored natural gas to those businesses. Now, I did have a chance to catch up with Hutchinson's Mayor Stacey Goss directly after the press conference, and she harped on the fact that this has been the complaint she's heard from business owners all week. She's been told after initial evacuation business owners have been left with questions, and she says not having Kansas Gas show up for this update is disappointing.
No idea why Kansas Gas is not here today. I feel like we're really missing their presence and the transparency that they could provide to the situation for our residents and for our business owners.
Fire crews will meet with those who need to get items out of their businesses around 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. They'll meet you outside the Fire Station 3 here near Maple and then guide you through those businesses to help you gather those belongings. Now, I did ask Stacey Goss, the mayor, how they move forward, and she says they're going to heed to the directions of the NTSB findings. Here for you in Hutchinson, Derek Lytle, KSN News 3.